Hello, my name is Paula Baña and I am a student in advertising development. In this presentation, I will talk about how technology is changing the way we work and study, especially in the creative industry. Technology and change. Technology is always changing. It has transformed how we study and work. In my field, design and marketing, technology is very important. We use it to create, communicate, and sell ideas. Evolutionary versus revolutionary tools. There are tools that evolve step by step, like Canva or CorelDRAW, and others that bring big changes, like Adobe Illustrator, artificial intelligence, and augmented reality. These tools help us work faster and better. Impact on marketing. Marketing has changed a lot. Before, we used posters and radio ads. Now we use social media, reels, and influencer campaigns. In the future, we will have more smart and personalized advertising thanks to technology. Cultural variation and teamwork. Technology also helps us work with people from other countries. We can do meetings online, share ideas, and work in teams with different cultures. This makes us more open and creative. Future of design and marketing. The future will bring more tools like IAs and automation. Designers and marketers will have better data to make decisions. In a few years, we will have been using smart tools to create better and fast. Conclusion. Technology is a great opportunity. We need to keep learning and adapting to new tools. The future is digital, fast, and full of possibilities. Thank you for watching my presentations. And that was all. Thank you so much. Goodbye.